One of the best and fastest ways to build trust with potential customers is by showcasing authentic reviews from satisfied customers, and the new review widget is going to help your local business clients do just that. It's super customizable with tons of options designed to facilitate demonstrating the quality and reliability of your clients' offerings and help them drive more sales. Let's create one together. When you arrive in Reputation Management, you'll see a banner prompting you to install the new widget. Note that the old widget will still display as usual on your client sites until you set them up with the new one, but it can no longer be updated. First, choose the review sources you want to request reviews for and which you want displayed on your website. You can choose one source to request reviews from directly on site, but all selected sources will be displayed. By default, the sources available are Google, Facebook, and My Listing if local SEO is activated. In reviews, set a minimum star rating as criteria for displaying on your website to ensure you're showcasing your best reviews. Let's set the rating format to show 1 decimal point. You can even cherry pick reviews by setting this to manually published reviews. In the layout section, the default format is a basic feed layout. There's a general header, an overall rating section, and then the review cards. To get a plethora of options to customize how the reviews are displayed, have your clients purchase the Review Widget Pro add-on. With the add-on activated, you can switch the layout to carousel or badge. Add a custom header and show an overall rating card where you can select which components to display. Same with the review cards themselves. Choose which elements to include. Next, you can customize the style of the widget to blend in with each of your clients' websites. Choose the theme and specify an accent color to align the look and feel of the widget with each business's brand design. This is available with or without the add-on. Now you're ready to publish. Click Save and Add to Website, then copy and paste the HTML code into the website's body element. If you change the sources, layout, or styling after the HTML code has been installed on the website, you only have to press Save again to push those updates to the live widget. Let's revisit Review Widget Pro. It can be used with any edition of Reputation Management, Standard, Pro, or Premium. Today, the add-on will provide your clients with extra layout options to customize how reviews are displayed on their site. Soon, it will offer many more review sources beyond those included in the free version, which are Google, Facebook, and My Listing. Sources like Angie, TripAdvisor, and more are on the way to provide your clients with an incredibly powerful yet easy to maintain solution for showcasing their best reviews. As always, you have complete control over the upgrade path. To remove the in-app prompt that allows your clients to purchase the add-on directly, disable it in the products area of Partner Center.